YouTube just updated their AI content disclosure and labels requirement on using generative AI content. Now there's actually a label in your video. Yeah, it's auto-generated, or you can actually put on your own the label that this video that you created is actually an AI content. Now it's a requirement for you to disclose on this. If not, if you don't disclose, the AI will actually auto detect and put the label. And there's also an option for you to edit if the AI make mistake in the labeling. So let's see what is stated over here more in detail. So basically you need a updated creator disclosure model, AI use, and how does it goes. Okay, now disclosure. Every time you upload a video in YouTube Studio, this is our familiar upload function. There's now a new attribute for the AI tab. So you need to click on it, and then they will come out into this sections. Whether this video is generated by AI, is it a real person appearing, or you make a real person appearing to say or something they didn't say, or is it altering a footage of a real event or place? Is it generating a realistic looking scene that didn't actually happen? You need to disclose yes or no. Okay, on this is very important because it is misleading if the video doesn't happen. I mean, the person never say this thing, or never have this environment, the scenery, and all that. People get misled. It's very dangerous. So it's best that you disclose it, that whether this is a AI content, it's required. Yeah, disclosure is required. Only for AI content that is meaningful, altered, or generated and appears photorealistic. Okay, basically this. Okay. So for minor aesthetic edits like beauty, filter, color correction, production assisted AI generated scripts or outlines, this is not required to disclose. Okay, your text, some AI generated scripts, right, is okay. But provided you don't say things that is not real, okay, not realistic content such as animation or fantasy doesn't require a disclosure. Okay, note, and then there's this thing, note, labels can be removed if the content was created using YouTube internal AI tools, by VO or TrimScript. Contains verified C2PA metadata. Okay. Then the labels, basically starting from this month, May 2026. Yeah. They will be actually automatically put it below. I already start seeing some of the videos having this AI symbol below your video. Okay, directly overlay on the video. Shots will appear as direct overlay on the video. Long form video will be positioned directly below the video player over here. Then with the expanded description made with AI. How this was made. In terms of algorithm, the YouTube search algorithm evaluates content independently, so I don't think there will be actually much affected. Okay, it will not affect your video recommendation or eligibility for monetization. Okay. If you decided that, or you don't want to disclose, in the long run, you may be subjected to penalties from YouTube. Okay, may be subjected to penalties from YouTube. If you choose not to disclose, this is very dangerous, so it's best that you disclose on this. So that's it. I just want to let you guys know today's latest YouTube announcement. on the updates to AI content disclosure and labels. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.